What's up guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. So if you have a Tesla Model Y, the rear of your trunk already lifts up by the motors that are built in stock, so you don't have to use your own hands or strength to open your trunk. But you still have to go up to the car to basically push a button and then the trunk will open by itself. And there isn't a kick sensor like a lot of other OEMs out there where you can just use your foot to swipe underneath the trunk area and the trunk will open itself. On top of that, on your Tesla Model Y, the Frunk is a much more manual process when you actually have to lift it up yourself. And if you've researched some of the Tesla accessory brands out there, really the #1 brand that comes up a lot is Hansshow. So in this video, Hansshow actually sent out to me a Model Y Frunk and trunk kit, which actually includes a powered Frunk liftgate, I guess, as well as a kick sensor for your trunk. So in this video, we're gonna do an unboxing of the trunk kick sensor and Frunk kit. We're gonna do a little bit of a review and show everything that's included within this box and my thoughts about it. So welcome back to the channel and thanks for watching another video and let's get into it. So here is the Hansshow kit. It's pretty small in terms of size. Here is my hand comparison. But the shipping, they pretty much packed it all within here, the full kit, which is pretty nice. And it's identical to the packaging of the Model 3 kit and the Model Y kit. So in terms of size and shipping, it's not too big. It's about 1.5 feet long and about maybe 6 inches wide and maybe a foot tall as well. But I've gone ahead and pre-opened it already. The only way you can really tell that this is for this on this side, it says Tesla Power Model Y Frunk Kit. And then on top of that, they put kick sensor for the trunk sensor that's included as well. So they pretty much put it all in this same kit. And then they shipped it over just like this directly from, of course, China, where all the other accessory companies are as well. But opening up, I wish it would open up kind of lid facing open so that it'd be easier to show everything that's inside. But let me go ahead and pull some of the stuff out and then lay it all on top of my desk so you can see everything that's included. All right, so taking everything out, there's some nice foam padded to keep everything in here pretty secure. Of course, my eyes go directly to the instruction manual. It shows like, oh, actually, well, this is not even an instruction manual. This is just the kick sensor by itself and all the different cables, and it comes with a guide as well. So this is the kick sensor installation guide version 2 and all the different wires that it comes with. Inside here, you have, I guess, the power module or CPU for the Power Frunk version 4.3. as well as some of the other items in here that it includes with. So it looks like some nuts and bolts and some more zip ties and more instruction, as well as a warranty card. Right here is the 2 lift mechanisms that are wrapped in some bubble wrap. Let me go ahead and unwrap these so you can see what they look like exactly. So here are the 2 powered lifts that open up your frunk. They're labeled Hansshow on the left. And you can see there's a little bit of oil to keep them lubricated as well. Other than that, there's just a bunch of different cables in here with more brackets as well. Definitely a pretty quality kit with a bunch of different stuff that you would need to install all of this. And of course, a very detailed manual with a bunch of pictures, a video as well, and some diagrams so that you can follow along to install this pretty complicated kit. I'm actually not sure if I'm gonna do it myself. I might take a stab at it and then see how far I can get to install this whole kit. But if you watch some of the other videos with installing this, it's pretty complicated as well, especially the front lift and the trunk kick sensor. So I might take a stab at it. I haven't decided just yet, but I just wanted to show you everything that this kit comes with. And I'll do some B-roll right now of all the different pieces that it comes with so you can see in detail for yourself. yeah, thanks for watching this quick unboxing of the Hansshow Model Y trunk kick sensor and Frunk automatic lift. Okay, automatic lift. Definitely a pretty quality kit. I mean, you certainly pay for what you get. Thanks for Hansshow for sending out these kits to me so I can review them. And I haven't really decided if I'm gonna try and install them myself just yet, but most likely I would, so definitely subscribe if you wanna see that. And if you're interested in a discount, I'll paste a link to my promo code down below so you can get, I think, a pretty decent discount on this kit if you're interested in purchasing it for your Model Y. All right guys, thanks for watching this video. Please hit that like if you enjoyed it, and comment below if you have this exact kit and if it was easy to install or you paid someone to get it installed yourself. Or if you have a different brand kit altogether. I'd love to hear your thoughts. All right guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya.